State withdraws charges against Olinda Chapio. Sanabira mashoko buda panguva inachiona kuti Olinda Chapio anozikana kunzi anga achikomedzerwa nawo aiwa yecyberbullying. Panguva ino tichiona kunzi he was also asked to pay $500 and a passport taken. Panguva ino the state is finally withdrawn the charges against ye. Sanabira mashoko buda nyuko panguva ino ndombo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibina mzfm studio mdanyira chiti. The state yesterday withdrew charges before plea against UK-based businesswoman Olinda Chapio was facing cyberbullying charges. Chapio was accused of bullying her lover, Desmond Stana Chideme's ex-wife, Dioni Tafirenyika, in a Facebook live video. Chapio apologized in a statement and also posted a video apologizing to Tafirenyika. In 2026, ZFM Stereo News continues to provide dependable, fact-based reporting from Zimbabwe and beyond. Thomas Konobuda Pangwa ire atino update wa awa ne ZFM Stereo Pangwa ire wachipen update panawo ya Olinda Chapio yachiridza wale wakaona pa social media especially pa Facebook achirekoda ma live videos and the likes. Pachiradza papa ni makakatano angaripo pa family e. Chitiko pangwa ine tiona nawo iyi ichika pakumopera where the state ichibvisa ma charges against ye. Tinounza makunga anafambo achitenderera chiti Olinda Chapio now she's flying back to United Kingdom kunozikana kuti ndo kwanga ne citizenship. Ikoko pinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu mwati kudipa msoro pe chitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu sana subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.